Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to verify Cloudflare email. First, go and log in to your Cloudflare account. Once inside the dashboard, on the top right corner, click on your profile icon. Then, go to your profile. Now once in, on the settings, you will see here that your email is unverified. To verify it, you need to send a verification link to it. Now that it has been sent, go to your email provider and in here access the email from Cloudflare. Then go ahead and click on verify your email. Now once done, you can go ahead again to your profile on the top right, then go to your profile. And now as you can see, your email is now verified. And that's just basically it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.